In this video, I will show you how to delete recent files in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your search bar on the bottom side of your Windows key. Then search for RU and run. Alright, then tap on the run button here. And from here, you need to search recent, RECENT, recent. Search for it. Alright. Then tap on OK. As you can see, here are too much shortcut files. So you need to delete all these shortcuts. So select all of that and right click on. Then tap on the more options and then select the delete option. Alright, you can see the file is now empty. After that, again go to the file explorer and from here you can see the recent files you have visited. So what you need to do, from here you will see the three dots on the top side. Tap on that option and go to the options, and from here you need to untick all these up, like show recently used files. Untick that, and also tap on show frequently used folders, and then tap on the apply and tap on OK. So that's how you can delete recent files in Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.